After nearly 2 months of no storm chasing, I found myself right back in the Panhandle in nearly the same exact town that I had finished the previous storm chase. So this is Panhandle Magic Part 2, the 50th storm chase of 2015. This was leading up to be a pretty big event for November 16th, 2015, nearly 2 years after the big November outbreak in the Midwest in 2013. But the problem here was that it would be a race toward the clock, as all indications were showing a nighttime event with possibly a few discrete supercells shortly before sunset. I did get on one of those supercells that was showing a low, scuddy wall cloud here, but it really struggled to show the low level rotation at first. I did get some great photographs here. Here's one of this is, I guess you could call it a quasi wall cloud that was near the ground. A little bit further north, this storm did produce a couple of brief funnel clouds, and then fast forward even a little bit further ahead, it did drop a brief tornado to the south of Claude. But it wasn't until shortly after sunset that things went nuts. I found myself on Interstate 40 going eastbound, looking towards my north, and I thought I saw a rain shaft out of the corner of my eye, but I looked again, and there was actually a large tornado in progress. This is a few minutes after I had first seen it, but this would be the first of many long-track, strong tornadoes. At one point, as I was moving north towards Pampa, I had a visual on 2 tornadoes on the horizon, but minutes later, I came down a hill and there were power lines down and debris everywhere, and I couldn't avoid it. There were cars pulled over everywhere. I actually ran over power lines, busted up my rim, had a tire that was losing air, but luckily 3 guys came over and helped me with a hammer, and we hammered the rim back into place and I got out of there. But this was a wild chase. 3 tornadoes, the most I had seen in any single storm chase dating back to June 17th of 2014.